Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 80 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. This issue, we're continuing with that right air vent. We're looking through from cardboard to icon. I don't know about the cardboard, but there we go. If you want to read all about that. Interesting stuff, I'm sure. No Man's Land, Gotham. All good stuff there as well. I'm not reading any of these words myself, but you can. I'll just read the big ones. So yes, this is the, what does it call it? The right flap. It's easy. So this is put together exactly the same way as the one on the other side was. We've got one pin already attached, another pin that goes through to hold it in place, and then we screw that onto the piece that we've already built last time. And then we start again what we started with this pack, with the pistons to add to it next time. So let me clear this out of the way. Let's get this flap attached. So this is quite easy. We've got our metal flap, our plastic bracket. The plastic bit has a post, the metal bit has a post on it which goes into that plastic piece like so, and then that lines up for our pin to go in this end, through that into there, and that will hold that together quite nicely. Then we need two of these CM screws. Let's open the side that's open rather than try and unstick the other side. Two of those. There we go, both of them out. Other one's still in there for safekeeping. So this then goes on there, onto the back there, like that, and the two screws will hold that together. Nice and easy and quick. Not a problem in the slightest with this bit, except for this bit. No, there we go. Get that lined up in there, and then that screw will go in there. So I'll get those tightened up, but then we have our flap attached on there. Then we get to start how we started this pack, this delivery, with the pistons to put onto there next time, and then continue on with that, getting it all attached. I'm looking forward to it, and then we'll figure out how it all goes together. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.